Hi, I'm Elliot Fox. I'm Head of Insurance at Qdos Contractor, and today I'm going to be talking about our insurance for energy sector customers. The energy sector is a key utiliser of sole trader and contractor resource and typically requires insurance policies to be held that aren't widely understood. So today I'll go through what those policies may be and what those insurance policies cover. Qdos provide a range of insurance products and services to our energy sector customers, but by far and away our most popular ones are our employers and public liability insurance, our accident and sickness policy, and our professional indemnity insurance. So firstly, and our most popular product for our energy sector customers, is our employers and public liability insurance. This is split into those two sections, employers liability and public liability. Employers liability covering the policyholder for their legal responsibility for injuries or accidental death sustained by their employees, and our public liability insurance, which provides cover for disputes with third parties relating to property damage or personal injury. Those working in the energy sector typically buy this product not only because of the invaluable expertise that our claims handlers and legal professionals can provide in the event of a claim, but in addition it's normally required contractually. So you will have seen that energy sector contractors are unable to go to an offshore rig, as an example, without a valid certificate of insurance. So secondly, our professional indemnity insurance, that provides cover for the policyholder in the event of a negligence dispute. So in the event that a client alleges there's been an error or omission in the services that the professional provides. Professional indemnity insurance is typically only purchased by those providing advice, design or consultancy, typically due to the nature of the claims. So those working in a more manual capacity may not need it. However, again, with employers and public liability insurance, this policy can be required contractually. Lastly, our accident and sickness policies. Qdos sell two policies in this area, our contractor sickness cover and our personal accident insurance. Our contractor sickness cover insurance provides a monthly benefit in the event that a doctor signs the professional off work, and our personal accident insurance policy, which provides cover for the policyholder in the event that they suffer a named illness. That provides a flat benefit of up to £50,000. So given the nature of work in the energy sector, there may be sole traders or limited company contractors who wouldn't have the benefit of an employer to provide them with sick pay, and that's why our accident and health policies are particularly popular within the energy sector. So as with any insurance purchase, you need to be mindful of the terms and conditions and go through the policy coverage in detail, but I'll just go through some of the key considerations when buying energy sector insurance. So the first one is to make sure that you're appropriately covered for the locations on which you work. So ensuring that you have appropriate cover if you're going offshore or if you're working at a power station or a nuclear installation. It's very common for insurers to ask additional questions depending on the locations. So as I touched on, some of these policies will be required contractually, and they may go into a little bit more detail about some of the specific points of coverage. So please bear in mind that you may need to evidence that your policy contains certain provisions for hold harmless agreements, waiver of subrogation rights, and contractual liability. So a key consideration for all of the policies that I've discussed today will be the nature of work. So it's important to ensure that you've disclosed to the underwriters or the insurance company all possible avenues in which you will work, such as rope access work, manual work, work with heavy machinery, etc., just to make sure that you've disclosed all information to them. So that's obviously just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to all of these insurance policies. So if you've got any further queries or questions, our dedicated account managers would be happy to answer. Thanks very much for watching.